Hi Stylecaster, I'm Ariana Madix and this is my Love Island packing list. If I was leaving for the villa tomorrow, I would really need to pack sunscreen. I have a lot of different SPF brands. I have the Paula's Choice that has like the skincare with sunscreen. I love Elta MD. I love Supergoop. So I have a lot of different sunscreens that I use. Maybe a whole suitcase full of hair extensions, some bathing suits. For nighttime dressing, I do love a matching set because I feel like it does all of the work for you. I love a dress because again, it does all of the work for you. For heels, I have made a kitten heel work with a long pant that covers the heel, because otherwise it looks like absolute trash on me. My legs are shaped kind of like an inverted triangle. So then you get to the bottom and I have like really skinny ankles and a kitten heel just makes my foot look really long. Whereas a tall heel, all of a sudden then my foot looks shorter and I just feel like everything looks better. But a kitten heel with long pants, it's like then you can't see what you're doing. And I feel like that can be like very cool vibe. The humidity, it's actually not always as hot this time of year in Fiji as it seems like it would be. So as long as you have a really good setting spray, I think you might be okay doing a full face of makeup. I feel like Fiji is also very casual, so you could be able to get away with during the day just letting it go. But at nighttime, yeah. You need a good setting spray for sure. Setting spray recommendations. I love the One Size. I love the Huda Beauty. If you want to be really hardcore, like you're the host of Love Island USA, you're going full Cryolan. That's what I use on set. I think as far as smudge proof with all the kissing, I think you might as well give it up. I mean, something's gonna happen. But I think to make your lips nice and soft, the Laneige lip masks are really nice. The Laneige, the new glosses that they have with the little donut applicator, those are really nice colors and they make your lips super soft. So I feel like you'll be nice and kissable. There's a lot of tears on Love Island, but also I have eyes that water a lot, especially in this one left outer corner. So I'm having to, whether I'm actually upset or not, deal with watery eyes all the time. I love the Thrive Cosmetics mascara that is the waterproof. It's kind of like one of those tubing mascaras. If I do cry, you know, maybe I'll get a flake at worst, but at best, it just stays as long as I don't start rubbing. If I was a contestant, I would bring lots of different fun press-ons, unless you have a really good nail tech who can give you a very long-lasting manicure, because there is a moment in time where I think people do get manicures and haircuts, but it's like well after 2 weeks in, and you might end up in a precarious situation where the nails are not looking good. But at least if you have press-ons, you can pop them off and on. These are press-ons. I always do press-ons because my outfits, I don't have nails that match every outfit. So I do press-ons, I go in the villa, I leave the villa, I pop them off. I would not recommend bringing, you know what? You might not wanna bring body oil unless you're just putting it on out of the shower, but maybe don't put it on right before you go out to hang out by the pool, because a lot of those cushions are white. And if you have tanner and body oil and it comes off on the cushion, it might look a little bit, I mean, it'll just say you'll leave your mark.